Hi, welcome to Cooking with Steve. Today we're making a tuna pasta bake. I've got some water on here, starting to boil, ready for my pasta. We've got some tuna fish, tomato passata, red, green and yellow pepper, onions, sweet corn, kidney beans and some garlic, and we're going to make a lovely tomatoey fish sauce. On top of that we're going to put a cheese sauce and finish it off and put it into the oven. So my water's boiling and I'm going to put my pasta into the water. That's 500 grams of pasta for silly. You can get different types of pasta though, so it depends what you really like. So I'm going to put some salt in that as well. I'll put the lid on and that'll take about 7 minutes to cook. While I'm doing that, I've got my pan on. I'm going to put my butter in my pan. Turn it up. Get the butter melted. I'll put my garlic into it, my chopped onion, and my mixed peppers. And we're going to cook that up for a few minutes until the onions and the peppers are soft. If you wanted to change this up a bit, you can substitute the tomato sauce and make a white sauce, a cheese sauce, and put the tuna and the peppers and onions and garlic into a lovely cheese sauce and bake it like that. It's preference really. My peppers, onions, garlic are cooking really nicely now. So I'm going to add the tomato passata to the mixture. Stirring nicely. Once that comes to the boil, I'll add the other ingredients. My pasta's almost cooked. So I'm going to drain it off now. Tomato passata's warmed through, so I'm going to add my sweet corn, my kidney beans, and my tuna fish. Now stir that in. Right, I'm going to add my cooked pasta to the tomato passata mix and mix it in well. Making sure it's really mixed well before putting into my dish. Smooth out the top of it. Oops. Ready for my cheese sauce to be made on top. So I've got 250 ml of milk boiling away here. I've got some white sauce mix here, which I'm going to use. You can use a wooden spoon, or maybe you want to use a whisk if it's in stainless steel, just to get rid of a few of those lumps. The packet sauces are good, but they can go a bit lumpy sometimes. So with a few stirs, the whisk comes out perfectly. I'm going to pour that onto my pasta. Okay, I'm going to place it into my preheated oven, which is on 160 to 180. It'll take about half an hour to cook.